Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by this one. Next, we have y and first derivative of y. This is about linear differential equation. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that this one with the positive next to y, this is for integrating factor. So I will put this one gone here. So number 2, that's about 1 plus 1. So s plus 1 divided by s plus 1, we have number 1. Next, the integration of number 1, we have s, the integration of 1 over s plus 1, we have ln of s plus 1. In this one, we can put like this. And e to the power of ln s plus 1, we can put s plus 1 e to the power of s. That means we multiply both sides by this one. Now we need to simplify. And this one too. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one in here, we have y s plus 1 e to the power of s. The integration of 2s, we have s squared, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.